All right, Rob Frazier here. I think I did another video about this MLM Lead Pro by Ed Keat. Actually, let me see. Yeah, I did. So, I had to make sure because I'll be forgetting sometimes. I just want to do a short little update. So basically, it was MLM Lead Pro, which is free to join. Affiliate Mentor was the second piece in it to get buyer leads, and then it had Save Club and Live Good. So since then, Ed has allowed the users to customize the system. So step one, MLM Lead Pro and Affiliate Mentors, that step's not changing. Step 4 is the training. And again, I joined this system because of number one, it's attached to Leads Leap. Number 2, I've been getting tons of opt-ins using his system onto my Leads Leap autoresponder. Leads Leap has a double opt-in autoresponder so that the people actually have to go confirm their email to get on your list. And at first I wasn't a huge fan of it, but using these systems, I am becoming more and more sold on a daily basis. And the training. So you can use this to promote anything you want, but the thing is, I really want to stress is I joined it because of the training. And so you see here, Edward Keat, obviously 1058, his own system. Aaron Parmet, 359 referrals. But what I want to show you is what you see down here. It says view strategy. View strategy. So basically you join a system, and if you want to get the same results that these people are getting, you just come down here and you click on view strategy. Not to mention, whatever that link goes to, so I'm going to just click on Ed Keat's view strategy. Hopefully my country bumpkin Wi-Fi loads. While that's loading, and click on this one too. Maybe this one will load a little bit quicker. So basically, it's a PDF written by whoever that person is. So for example, this Aaron Parmet has one. Ishan Butler, pardon me if I'm jacking up your names, but they have their own strategies down here, and you come down here and you click on them, and it's basically a PDF. And then all you simply do is come down here and sign up for whatever that traffic program is. And you can flip that around as well. You can get signups for whatever this thing is. You can use this same PDF. So you can just simply say, hey, look, Ed Keat, he has 1,058 signups using this strategy right here. If you want to get the same results doing what he's doing, here's the PDF to read. And then when people read this PDF, it'll be linked to your program. Or if you don't sign up for it, it'll go straight to Ed. But you get the point. You sign up for it because he's getting signups. He wants you to get signups. So that was like the biggest thing. And there's a bunch of different strategies. It's not just one thing. There's tons of people who do stuff. My plan is once I get up here on the leaderboard, drop a couple PDFs. You get the point. So right now I'm sitting at 10 signups. So, but that wasn't even the main point. The main point was you can customize steps 2 and 3. I'm not a huge fan of Live Good. I'm not a huge fan of Save Club. Maybe down the road, but right now, my focus is the PLS AI Automation Academy, which I just done a video. I'm actually going to upload it as soon as I'm done with this one. And PLS AI Academy and I might either put in digital growth community or my crypto retirement plan for step 3. Actually, I think I'm going to put digital growth community. Digital growth community, the social media training and the daily mentoring from that program is absolutely critical and will keep you in the game. For the longest, I was just going to give up on social media. I hated social media. I don't want to be on there. Every time I get on there, I get distracted. I don't post about my business. I don't want to sit here and post my business is better than your business. The training and digital growth community fixed all that for me. So I just want to do that. So if you join the system, highly suggest get MLM Lead Pro, Affiliate Mentor. So you start getting your buyers list, and then you can either join Save Club or Live Good. Or if you want to work with me, I got PLS AI Automation Academy, which I'm learning all kind of cool little sneaky AI things to do, which is going to be on the video linked below this one. So you can go watch that. And I'm going to link another video about digital growth as well. But PLS AI Academy, digital growth community, 2-hour workday, this system right here. That's it. don't need anything else. So, anyway, we're wrapping this video up. Name's Rob Fraser. Link is below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.